So this is how you can download any TikTok video you want. Going ahead and open up TikTok, and let's say I want to download this video. Let's go ahead and tap on share, and as you can see there is a save video option. But sometimes videos have no save video option, and so we're gonna have to use other websites in order to download this. So let's go on ahead and copy the link by simply tapping on share and then tapping on copy link. And there you go, link copied. Now search for Snaptic. You're gonna want to tap on snaptic.app and then open this link. So as you can see, it says paste TikTok link here. So let's go on ahead and paste it and then tap on download. It's going to immediately start converting it into downloadable files, and then it's going to download it into your phone or PC. It actually works for PC as well. So you can either download it normally or download it as HD. As you can see, the video is right here, and we can tap on download and it's going to immediately download it to our mobile device. Now take note that this also works for your laptop or PC. Just make sure you search snaptic.app and then paste the link to this website, and then you can download any kind of TikTok video that you want to, even if they don't have the save video option. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.